It's time for the shout out. Which of these words is an antonym for static? If you think you know it, then shout it out. Is it immovable, magnetized, dynamic, or dielectric? You got 3 seconds go. Static relates to things that are at rest, so its antonym or opposite is something that's in motion or dynamic. It's your answer and that's your shout out.
And the aerodynamic deal with the mountain transmission of air and with the force on things that are in motion in the air, so engineers have to consider aerodynamics when they are designing cars, and that's all in the case of the transportation bus is a new kind of
Vehicle.
vehicle.
Before you can get in it, you need 2 licenses, one for driving and one for flying. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's a transition.
Yes.
Traditional cars are in for some serious competition come 2015. The Terrafugia transition, literally a flying car. To be fair, it's closer to a plane that drives than a car that flies. Carl Dietrich, Terrafugia's co-founder and CEO, got the idea for his flying car while he was studying at MIT.
The transition is the evolution of a lot of years of thinking, and dream about things like this, and it started long before me.
Way before Glenn Curtis, the chief rival of the Wright brothers, designed the first flying car in 1918, but this bulky 3-wings Curtis autoplane could only hop, so it flunked. But what was once the stuff of fiction in now reality. If you have 279,000 lying around and at least 20 hours of flying time under your belt, the standard needed to pilot a light aircraft, this flying car could be yours. The transition is essentially a small plane designed to be roadworthy. Push a button and the wings pull up, allowing the pilot to drive it like a car. It even runs all regular, unleaded gas online.
It definitely gets a lot of attention, when you are driving this on public roads, or we had it at a gas station yesterday, fueling up, and people define this style a little bit. I would say it's better than having a super sports car. I mean, because this one really does fly.
But is it safe? Dietrich says it is. The flying car can travel at a speed of about 215 miles an hour, with a range of about 450 miles in the air, similar to a small plane.
The transition is kind of a symbol of what we can accomplish, and these things are totally
Technically achievable.
Well, today the technology has a huge improvement and amazing development. The car that can drive on the road also can fly in the sky. How could it bring our society difference? Does it have any problem if we use flying car in the future? Well,
In this article, we can know if we cost $27,900, we will have this flying car. This giant bird can be road-worthy. Just push a button and pull up the wings. In addition, we need to get a lot of attention when we drive it on public roads. People will stare a little bit. It's definitely better than having a super sports car. Moreover, the giant bird is as fast as the small plane with safety. Therefore, it must be worth buying quickly. Now, let's listen some comments.
I think the giant bird is a very incredible invention in this century. It can not only drive on the road but also fly in the air. It's a great invention in my mind.
Well, the giant bird is such an amazing idea. However, if I were a billionaire, I don't think I have a willing to buy such a weird product. That's all.